The 2020-2022 Kia Telluride stores its full-size spare tire under the rear of the vehicle, secured by a winch mechanism. The spare tire is a full-size tire mounted externally under the rear bumper, held securely by a winch cable. To access the spare, first open the rear hatch and locate the plastic cover on the underside of the bumper. Remove the plastic cover, which is secured by bolts or clips. Then use the lug wrench to crank the winch and lower the tire. The scissor jack, lug wrench, and wheel chocks are stored in a compartment under the cargo floor mat near the left rear seat. Important safety precautions. Perform the work on level ground, chock the wheels, ensure the vehicle is in park with the engine off. The jack should only be used at designated points on the frame rails to avoid damage or rollover risks. Always refer to your owner's manual. First, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while it's still on the ground, but don't remove them completely. Next, use the jack to lift the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire and hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle and fully tighten the lug nuts, again in a star pattern. After changing the tire, make sure to drive cautiously on the spare tire, keeping your speed below 50 miles per hour and getting the original tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible by a trained professional, as statistics show tire-related crashes account for 1% of accidents annually. Consider annual spare tire inspections to prevent issues like rusted winch cables.